people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today I'm up with a makeup challenge. Guys, this challenge is all about a makeup look, but I will not be using any kind of brushes today. So guys, I will be doing my makeup using my fingers itself. So guys, if you wanna know how did I create this makeup look without any brushes using just my fingers, then make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leo Win, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Alright you guys, starting with the makeup look, but firstly I will remove all of my rings because you guys मेकअप इसमें अटक जाएगा and that would feel very tacky, so इसीलिए I am removing all my rings. So guys, as usual सबसे पहले I am starting off with my makeup primer. Next up I am straight away moving with the foundation and मैं फाउंडेशन को हाथ से ही ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. I know you guys, I like हाथ की blending so much, but I have never blended my foundation using my hands. So this is something new for me. I'm scared if it would get patchy. इसीलिए मैं उसे starting से ही spread करके deposit कर रही हूँ. And then I'll blend it completely. And you guys, the blending starts. So guys, I have been thinking about this challenge for a while because concealer को हाथ से blend करके जो finish मिलती थी ना, मुझे वो काफी ज़्यादा पसंद थी. इसीलिए I thought, why not do this challenge, and today here I am. And I must say हाथ से foundation काफी अच्छे से blend हो तो जाता है, and whatever is left on my fingers I am applying it directly onto my ears, blending my hairline too. Now let's just quickly dive for the highlighting concealer, and मैं concealer इस applicator से apply नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am taking it on the back of my hand and I'll be applying it using my fingers. And now I am blending it using my finger itself. And eyes पे जितनी भी blending है, I am doing it with my ring finger because that is the finger that provides the most gentle pressure. And guys, सिर्फ एक downside जो मुझे लगा about blending with my fingers is that the product doesn't get absorbed. So कम product ही लो. And guys, we will try today कि हम mostly क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स ही यूज करें बिकॉज पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स को हाथ से अप्लाई करना इज अ बिग डील एंड वो पैची हो जाते हैं. सो दैट्स दैट. नाउ वी डिडंट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ कलर करेक्शन, इसीलिए आई एम अप्लाइंग अ कंसीलर विच इज एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर टू माई स्किन शेड. एंड मैं एक पॉट कंसीलर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ आज बिकॉज वी कैन डायरेक्टली पिक इट अप यूजिंग आवर फिंगर्स and apply it onto the face. And I am applying it only on my hyperpigmentation areas and acne marks. And ये technique मैंने सीखी है Instagram से, where you have to use your middle finger for blending and keep pushing the middle finger using your index finger. So I am doing that. Let's just quickly move ahead to contouring, and I am applying the bronzer on usual areas. And guys, to be very honest, so far so good, but आई एम फीलिंग कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट हो गया है फेस पे. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज गाइज कोई भी प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हुआ है, सो आई फील दैट माइट बी द रीजन. नाउ आई एम ब्लेंडिंग द ब्लश. डोंट वरी इफ योर ब्लश लुक्स हल्का सा ओवर पारिंग बिकॉज एनी ऑफ विच वेज वी आर गोइंग टू सेट इट यूजिंग अ कॉम्पैक्ट बिकॉज क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स को सेट करना इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग वुड मेल्ट डाउन. सेटिंग एवरीथिंग ऑफ विथ अ कॉम्पैक्ट. एंड गाइस, कॉम्पैक्ट के लिए तो मुझे स्पॉन्ज यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. सो या नाउ सबसे पहले आई एम सेटिंग माई अंडर आईज एंड उसके बाद आई एम सेटिंग माई आईलिड्स. एंड हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट आवर ईयर्स गाइस. एंड कैन यू सी ब्लश किस तरह से टोन डाउन हो गया है एकदम. एंड ऑल्सो सेट योर नेक प्रिटी वेल. ओके, आवर फेस इज ऑलमोस्ट डन. नाउ आईज पे मूव करते हैं. सबसे पहले वील बी डूइंग आवर ब्राउज. एंड ब्राउज के लिए तो हम हाथ से नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू अप्लाई इट डायरेक्टली यूजिंग द पेंसिल. सो या, एंड आई यूज्ड the previous brow pencil fully, and finally I switched on to this new one. This is from the same brand, by the way. If you have been seeing my videos for a while, you might be knowing कि किस brand के eyebrow pencil मैं use करती हूँ. So please mention in the comment section if you remember. So eyebrows are done, but now it's time कि हम इन्हें blend कैसे करें. I am blending this using my nails because yes, we can't use brushes. Now guys, moving quickly with the eye makeup, I am taking a pink shade and starting from the inner corner of my eye, I am following the crease line and blending the color, and I am doing this with the help of my little finger, and I am blending it inwards. The same pink matte shade I am applying like a liner and moving towards my eyebrow. I need color की थोड़ी ज़्यादा intensity, इसलिए I am depositing more color and blending it side by side. Taking a champagne shimmer and I am placing it in the middle of my eyelid. And guys, to balance the pink color, I am using the blue shade on my lower lash. ये pink को balance भी कर देगा and it is matching with my outfit too. So yeah, guys, didn't this eye makeup turn out lovely? What do you think? Please tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from all of you. Next, I am applying white kajal on my lower lash line so that the colors would pop a bit more. Next guys, I am applying mascara. एंड मस्कारा को हमें वॉन्ड से ही अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज हम उसे हाथ से अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. मूविंग अहेड विद द लिप्स, आई एम यूजिंग अ वेरी सिंपल pink shade of lipstick and I am using a gold highlighter and I am applying it on the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose, my chin. I am not applying highlighter on my eyebrow bone because guys already उसपे shimmer है, so that would work as a highlighter, so that's why. And this is the final look you guys. What do you guys think about this makeup look? When they said makeup tools like brushes and sponges होने से पहले भी makeup होते थे, they exactly meant this. I am so happy with how this look turned out. A lovely look. This is the very first makeup challenge I came up with on my channel, and this is how it turned out. That made me so damn happy. If you like to see more such interesting challenges and makeup looks, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, and also follow me on all my socials. Link would be in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me then signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.